How to download your own Instagram Reels videos. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. Once you're over here, head over to the Reels section. Now open the reel that you want to download. Once you have opened the reel, Once you open the reel, click on three dots given at the bottom right. Now different options will appear such as manage, view full screen, share to Facebook, and many more. Click on the share option. Now here you're gonna find different options. Scroll to the right. You will find the option of download at the very end. Click on it. Your Reels uses audio that is not available for download. All audio will be removed from your reel. Click on download. You have downloaded the video, but the sound used in this reel won't be downloaded. So this way you are able to download your own Instagram Reels videos. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.